Hi there guys, how are you all doing? I hope we're all keeping well and having an amazing weekend. I'm out today with Claire, my wife.
Hello.
And we're out at our Woodland Permission Bushcraft base camp. We're going to do an overnighter. So those of you that have never joined us before, let's take a little look around. We've got our shelter and our fire pit. We've got the canopy above the fire pit, and let's go and take a little look at our setups. We're fortunate enough to have a water source at this location, and tonight I'm going to be spending the evening in the Dutch Army tent. I've got my setup in there. Looks like the dog's been in there already. I've got just a Euro hike cot, the Arctic sleeping bag, and obviously the Dutch Army tent. Claire's in the DD hammock, and we brought out today the 3.5 by 3.5 multicam tarp. So let's take a little look at our little base camp itself. As I mentioned earlier, we've got a canopy above the fire area. We've got a little workstation here, and we've got our fire pit just down there, and we've got the spit from TGM Metalworks, I think it is. I'll put that on the screen if I'm wrong. We're going to plan on cooking a chicken on the spit tonight, and we've got our shelter. The shelter's taken a little bit of a hammering over the winter, but this has done well. This has been stood now for about 4 years, I think, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Well, it's done quite well, and our woodland location is just absolutely stunning. So let's just have a little look about. Right, we're ready for a brew and getting a bite to eat. So Claire's going to light the fire for us.
Gonna light the fire.
Your fire starter.
Yeah.
Put that cotton wool close to that wax one, doll. There we go. Like on, yeah. There you go. Then just gently sit your twig bundle on top of it. Give it a second. There you go, you should be good now. Just gently sit it on. There we go. Awesome.
Awesome.
There a cuppa on her.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm absolutely starving, so I'm going to get the pan onto the fire. And we've got some of these really nice Cumberland swell sausages from a local butcher's, so we'll get them on to cook. I'll get them in nice.
I'm just gonna check the sausage out.
You're unbelievable.
Coming
All the
out.
cooking.
Nice.
They're off done, Rona.
Yeah.
Try that. Actually not. Yeah, they're cooked. They're cooked. Well, we'll just take those off and let them sit for a bit and let them cool, and we can get chucked into that. I'm quite hungry now, yeah. Well, let's get dug into these. We're going to try this Tingly Ted's extra tingly sauce. See what this is like there. We've got a brew, we've got these. What they like? You alright?
Mm-hmm. Hot.
Oh. Take them out. On fire. Nice, and that sauce is different, isn't it?
Yeah, it's different.
Check them out. How tasty does that look? That looks well nice. I'm starving now. Starving now. All I've had is a small bowl of Greek yogurt for my breakfast. And what time is it now? 5:25. Thank Marvin. Right, we're gonna enjoy these, enjoy a brew, and keep that fire going, ready for the chicken for later on. Right then, we're just chilling by the fire. Going to crack open a beer before we get the chicken on, and we're drinking Tiny Rebel Fruzy, and it's a fruit smoothie IPA. So that sounds a bit odd, doesn't it?
Yeah. Sounds refreshing.
What's it like?
Quite nice.
Is it alright?
Sweet.
Is it?
Yeah.
That is weird. I'm not too sure.
I'll drink it.
I'm not too sure. It's alright. Wouldn't buy it again. Yeah, I wouldn't buy it again.
6.5% off, and it's a fruit smoothie IPA.
Oh well. We're gonna enjoy these, and we're gonna get that chicken on shortly, because that's probably going to take a while to cook, but the fire's burning away nice. Happy days.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's get this chicken on the spit. Just put that there for the time being. Spin that round that way. Spin that like there. I've done this in jerk, like made my own jerk marinade. And we've got some rice and peas that we've cooked prior to coming here. So what we'll do, we'll see if we can get that straight through there, straight into the leg. Right, which one's not playing ball? Back out a bit, into there, and that one there. Get a shot through. There we go. I think that should. Pull that back a bit and take that sort of direction. And same with that one. What we've done is spatchcock the chicken, hoping it cooks a little bit quicker than the last time we've done a chicken on this. So we'll get some more of that nice marinade onto there. Get that on there. Flip that round. Get some on. Get it all in all the knots and crannies. And I'm going into where I've scored the meat. That should be quite nice. There we go. So we push that a bit through a bit further, take that right to the back. There we go. And that should go on to the other part of the spit. Oh, look at that. Right, just check out that chicken. Look at the colour in that skin. It should have some real nice flavour and some real nice crisp to it. It's looking amazing. We're going to lift it off the fire just now, make sure it is cooked, and once it is, we'll let it rest and we'll get the rice on. But it just looks amazing. Happy days. Just check out that. And that view. How amazing is that? What do you think, Claire?
Amazing.
Right, let's get this rice on. Bramble, come out the way. Good girl. Oi. Nosy. Out the way. Get some water in a pan. Just put that outside a minute. Get that in. Come on the way. Good girl. Get plenty of water in there. And we'll get that put on the fire to heat through. Right, here we go. We've got our dinner. We've got some homemade rice and peas. Claire made those. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
We had some left over, so what we done, we put it in mylar bags, and then as you've seen, we put it in water and heated it through. That's that put good. How's the chicken?
Yeah,
The chicken's lovely. It's falling apart. Jerk chicken with homemade jerk marinade. That's amazing.
my favourite.
If I'm ever craving a takeaway, this is my go-to meal. It just stops that craving. That's delicious. We've got a nice beer to wash it down. We're drinking Beaver Town, and that's what we are on with now. And that's quite nice, that one.
Yeah, it's our
That's
favourite,
probably,
isn't it,
yeah,
so
so
far?
far that's probably been the best one. Get them in there, eh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yes.
I thought we lost one then.
Okay.
Nice. Nice, we'll get one. Right, we're just gonna tuck into our desserts, and what we've done here, we just bought a brownie mix out supermarket, oh, excuse me, and hollowed out some oranges, kept the juice, chuck that in the fire, and used the juice as a liquid to make these brownies. And look at that. That looks a bit warm, that mind.
It is warm.
And what you do is you just hollow the orange out, put the brownie mix in, put it in foil, and just put it in the embers of the fire. Quite can't have taste the orange, like.
Nice.
They're amazing. But for a nice campfire dessert, brownie mix inside a hollowed out orange. Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Nicely.
Yeah, check it out. And obviously the orange skin protects it all. Would you have these again?
Yeah.
Nice, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely. Nice.
And we're just enjoying another beer from Brewdog, and this is my favourite. This is the Rainbow Sherbet Sour, and if you've not had this before, look out for it because it is absolutely amazing. What's your thoughts on the beer?
I love the beer. It's amazing too.
This one's by far the best one of tonight. Right, I'm going to cut the chit chat and get on enjoying this. Well, I've just made myself a Bailey's hot chocolate, and I'm just going to kick back, enjoy drinking this, and enjoy the last of the fire. Claire's already turned in. It's been a cracking day, it's been a cracking night. We've had some nice food. We've had a few nice beers, and some not so nice. That first one was dreadful, but this is nice, and the fire's nice. And it's just nice to kick back and relax. Well, I'm going to end the video now, and I'll get back to you in the morning. And I hope you've enjoyed the video so far, because we've had an absolute great time. It's been nice. Right, catch up with you later. Cheers. Well, good morning there. That's us all packed up and ready to go. Claire was stretched out in the hammock just along here, and I was set up just here. I don't know if the camera's picking up where the wild garlic's flattened, and that was our view to wake up to this morning. Just check that out. Oh, amazing does that look. We've made sure the fire's out, and we've tidied up around camp. Let's go over and see Claire. What did you think of the camp, Claire?
Oh, amazing.
You enjoy it?
Yeah, I loved it.
Food was good, wasn't it? Beers were good.
Company.
Yeah.
Bed.
The snooze in the chair
Hammock.
in front of the fire.
Yeah. Always.
That's under the shelter, all tidy, the wood stacked up and everything. Fire's out, and all there is for us to do now is say our goodbyes. Right, so what we'll do, we'll say goodbye.
Bye for now.
And we'll see you on the next one, and as always, stay safe and thanks for watching. If you're new around here, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like and share. Bye for now, and take care.